Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. So today video is about support vector machine SVM, which is another machine learning algorithm for supervised classification. In my last video, I showed you how to uh, classify a satellite image using random forest machine learning algorithm because I discussed it with in my presentation earlier about machine learning and all how to on this machine learning essential for update. Please go through it once again. So here I mentioned that we have uh, we have few. This is we have how to train the model. This is the supervised ML algorithm like random forest or support vector machine. So I am using this random forest I have given in my previous videos. I will share link in the description box. And this one is today video is about, right? So actually, what I did is that in my previous, what is the connection between last video and this is that last video what we said is first we have loaded certain sentinel image, right, like this. Then we have classify our then we have created this training classes, right. uh, this one first we have defined our study area that is already in my last video, and we have loaded this sentinel-2 image, and then we have created uh, training classes that is also in my last video. Then we have created this training sets that is also last video. This will be common for both the uh, in my both the algorithms, right. So what new here is that we will use the uh, this support vector machine classifier, right. So which is a SVM is a supervised machine learning algorithm for classification. I already told you. Powerful in high dimensional space like multi-spectral satellite imagery, right? It will find the best boundary or hyperplane that separate different classes in the feature space with the largest margin. Because sometimes what happens is because if you see the pixel, sometimes suppose water body, it sometimes its pixel is very clear, but at the boundary it is not very clear, right. So it is separated. Basically there is it creates it separated so that it is easy to classify the things, right. Like imagine you have two types of land, built up and agriculture. Each pixel has feature like these bands, right. So you plot those feature in 4D space. SVM tries to draw a line, plane or hyperplane that best separate means SVM what it does is that it separate both the boundaries, right? So that is the main usability of this. So I told you that using training sample for SPM. Yes, we have. This is similar to earlier one. Sample image for training. Yes. Used them. Yes. Labeled classes. Yes. Yes. This is same for last as per my last video, right. So let's start it. So how to do is that this one is yeah. So I have already done. So this is we have created. I'll just remove it. So this we have created for this is area pointers. These are the training sets. Water body built up and agriculture. Then we have loaded this satellite image. Then we have added this satellite image from. Then we have class value. We have given the class value basically 0, 1, 2. So built up we have given 0 for water 1 and agriculture 2. Then we have merged it, right. So we merged it. So now up to here it is perfect, right. So now what we will do is that from here, so it is this training set is uh, also fine, right. But only thing which is different here is now we this classifier, right. From this classifier we will use the new things, right. So, so I have done this already. So I will just I will do it again from you for you, right? So this is we have given this training set also. Now we will from here define SVM classifier linear kernel. So you just copy this, right, and paste it, because to create these codes again it's a big task. So that's why it will help me. So I will share the code wherever whosoever is required. So this is the linear class, right? The next is that train the classifier using training data. So now how to do this with the uh, uh, SVM. So we have trained classifier. We have already we train feature is this training. This is the training features, right? We have already defined here all the classes and properties class, and these are the input bands, right? So you can use B2, B3, B4 also. Only three bands. But I have used B8 also, because B8 is better for water extraction, right? So then now we are very close. Then classify the image. Now it will classify the image. So we have defined our SVM here. Let's define SVM classifier here, right? And then train the classifier. Now based on the training data, it will train the classifier, right? These will train the classifier. So now this is the classified, means where classified equal to s2 dot classify or train. S2 is this one, means satellite image, right? So similar we have done in earlier in my previous video also. You can see here what we did. We have up to here were classified in s2 dot classifier, but classifier will be the same, but only thing is here classifier is the training set which we have. Here we have what we have decided is we have used the SVM. Earlier we have done the random forest. You can see here smile random forest, right? So in this case we are using the um, this SVM. So now this is the simple one, visualization. This is copy and paste here. Now you can run. Yeah, because sometimes it takes time. So you can see now it classified the same reason, because I'm using the same study area which I used in my previous video, right? So you try it by yourself, because I did very. It is even simple. You can train. You can take more samples or better samples, right? So here this red one is the built up, and blue of course the water body, and yellow part is the uh, agriculture land. So you can more refine it, right? Basically it's the supervised classification, means you are supervising the process. So guys, that's it. So it's a very important one, and how to calculate the area, that will be the similar to my earlier previous video. So you can use the same code which I have used in my previous video. So I'm not repeating it here. So you please do it by yourself by using my take the reference from my previous video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. This is very useful for you who are using the remote sensing data or GIS data for by using machine learning algorithm. So slowly we will go in deeper. Actually, we will do some advanced level classifications, or we will use some other classifier. Right. So thank you.